Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your content strategy with ContentKing exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your content strategy with ContentKing exports, start by logging into your ContentKing account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your projects. Select the specific project you want to back up. On the project page, locate the export option usually found in the menu or settings area. Click on the export option to open the export settings. Choose the type of data you want to export, such as pages, keywords, or crawl data. Decide on the format for your export file, typically CSV or Excel are available. Adjust any additional settings or filters to customize your export based on your needs. Once you've configured your export, click the Export button to initiate the process. Wait for the system to generate your export file, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. You will receive a notification or see a download link once your export is ready. Click the link to download your file to your computer. After the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file in your preferred spreadsheet application to review your data. Make sure to save a copy of the exported file in a secure location for future reference. By backing up your content strategy through these exports, you ensure you have access to vital data for analysis and planning. Regularly repeating this process will keep your strategy up to date and well documented. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.